Welcome back to Everyday Kentucky. On today's Truck Talk with H+A Law, I am joined by Jon Hollan. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you all for having me. I appreciate it.
So on Truck Talk, let's dive right in. What makes a crash involving a truck different than any other regular crash?
So first and foremost, it's the size. Tractor trailers weigh up to 80,000 pounds, whereas a passenger vehicle averages about 3,000 pounds. That is 25 times the size of a car that our families might drive in. So even at lower speeds, the damage, the injuries can be catastrophic. At high speeds, it's often fatal. These trucks are subject to many rules, regulations that passenger vehicles are not. It is a highly regulated industry due to the fact that based on their size, based on the routes that they drive, mistakes can be fatal for families, other members of the roadway.
And so when we're talking about these crashes and trucks in general, are you talking about crashes involving a vehicle like you and I, or two large trucks colliding?
Yeah, so great question, and it can be both. You know, a lot of the really bad crashes, some of the most fatal crashes that we see involve multiple tractor trailers. It can involve a tractor trailer losing a wheel and striking another vehicle. But unfortunately, especially with summertime, school being out, vacation time, some of the most severe crashes we see are tractor trailers or other commercial vehicles striking passenger vehicles. And unfortunately, a lot of those are on our interstates here in Kentucky.
And if someone is involved in one of those crashes, how can they contact you and your law office?
Yes, we have offices here in Lexington, also in Louisville. We can be reached directly, 859-888-8000. Our website's also posted, our social media. We're available every day of the week. This is what we do.
Thank you so much, Jon, for this week's Truck Talk. It's very informative.
Thank you so much.
Keep it right here on Everyday Kentucky.